All right, guys, here we go. Chilly day. Gonna see how long it takes to do this. Hopefully, I think we only have like 20 minutes, 30 minutes worth of sunlight left, so we'll see how far we get. Enjoy the ride, guys. Let's go. Yo. Now, I think there was a race here on Sunday, so hopefully all the trails are open. So today, we're just gonna see how far we can get and how fast. Heart rate's already up. It is brisk, beautiful late afternoon ride though. I'm gonna be freezing at the end. Oh no, oh, there's water. Trying to avoid, I knew I should have avoided this trail. Oh no. And that's going to slow us down a lot. Luckily, it is the lowest bit of trail that we're going to do today, so hopefully we won't be running into too much water the rest of the ride. Now there is a no-name blue trail at the top of this climb, which we're probably gonna skip, just so that we can be further along on the trail. There's the blue trail. We're gonna skip it. Oh no. Oh, that killed all our speed. I didn't want to get wet. Ooh, yeah. Whew. That cool air killing you. And it is dark in these inside trail areas. Not sure how much more we're gonna be able to do. I want to get to at least Freebird. And if we can get to Bad to the Bone, that'll be a bonus. On the plus side, I'm feeling good. Bike's feeling good. Let's go. Finally starting to warm up. Let's go. Never do that drop. I'm pretty sure you can roll it now. What's going on here? Something new. I don't think we're gonna have time to do everything. I still see sunlight. We've been going for 13 minutes. No stairway today. Just greens and blues. I feel like we're about halfway there. I'm suffering. This is good. Means I'm pushing. Alright. So this will be our new base lap. Since I don't think we're gonna be able to do everything. Let's go. It's already dark in these inside bits. So we're gonna push straight to Freebird. At least one jump. Doesn't even jump it. We're not gonna do Jimbo or Tom Sawyer, even though Tom Sawyer is one of my favorite out here. We're just gonna go straight to Freebird so that we can get a baseline. Here we go. Nice, at least I'm not the last one here. I feel like I'm being chased down. Okay, let's finish strong. Yes. Good job. Okay. 20 minutes in. Let's bring it in. Whew. Whew. That cold air is brisk, baby. All right, that's time. It's 22:40, 3.44 miles. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and hopefully I'll be posting much more often. So definitely subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys next time. Ran into my door here.